multiplication and word problems is the develop session. Our learning target is to multiply or divide to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison by using drawings, equations, with symbols for the unknown number to represent the problem, distinguishing multiplicative comparison from additive comparison. We started this Thursday, right?
Yes,
Thursday.
ma'am.
Okay, we started this on Thursday. And whenever we started this, we drew models to represent whatever strategy we were going to use in our word problem, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How many different strategies did we have?
I think.
Was it 6?
No.
It was quite a few, right? Were they all the same?
No.
They weren't all the same, but did everybody get the same answer?
Yes.
So were any of them wrong?
No.
No. What does that tell us?
Now we get it doing different
That
things.
everybody does different things. Everybody learns differently, right? Okay. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to think about this. What are 2 ways to think of 4 times 6 equals 24 as a comparison? So when we're talking about as a comparison, someone tell me how we can say this in words. 4 times 6 equals 24. This takes us back to what we do on our daily, every Monday, very first problem.
Write 4, then write 4 yes, no. 4 times 6. 4 times.
It's okay.
4 times 6 is 24.
Okay, so she says 4 times 6 is 24. Can somebody add to that for me? Say, can you add to 4 times 6? What can we use our multiplication symbol to say? 4.
4 times, wait.
You know it, I see it.
It's, 4 times as many as 6 is 24.
4 times as many as 6 is 24. What's another way we can say this? If we rewrote it, what's another way we can say it? That's it as a comparison. Cavian?
6 times 4.
6 times 4 equals 24. Is that the same thing?
Yes.
Okay. Another way we can say this is 4 groups of 6 is 24. Or 6 groups of 4 is 24. We could also say 24 is...
24 is, wait, 4.
Say it. You got it.
24 times
24 times?
4. Wait.
24, just read it backwards. Look, don't stress out. 24
Times
is, no, 24 is 6 times as many as 4. You could say 24 is 4 times as many as 6. Okay? On your desk, you have this piece of paper. What I want you to do is exactly what we did on Thursday. I want you to draw me a representation of this word problem. Janelle's Market sells bags of 8 oranges. Simone needs 5 times that amount. Write and solve an equation to find the number of oranges that Simone needs. Okay? On your paper, I want you to draw me a model, write me an equation. Okay? So draw me a model and write me an equation. Make sure you're thinking about what this problem is about, what you're trying to find out, and what information is important. If you're struggling with drawing a model, think about that equation that you've written. I see some of you have written your equation already, but you're struggling with your model. Think about what that equation says. this problem's about? Oranges. What are we trying to find out?
How many?
How many what?
Oranges.
How many that Simone needs, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what information is important?
They sell 8 bags and 7 cents. They sell bags.
So the market sells bags of 8 oranges. That means each bag has how many in it?
8.
8. Okay? Simone needs 5 times that amount. So if you drew a bar model, you could draw how many bags?
8.
You could draw 8 bags? Think about if you were drawing exactly what this word problem says, you would draw how many bags, Alyssa? 5 bags. Because she needs 5 times that amount. So she needs 5 bags with 8 oranges in it, right? Now our equation ends up being what? What's our equation? I saw everybody write it. 8 times 5 equals what?
4.
Now, your strategies for your models are all different. I saw people write 5 plus 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 5. Is that okay?
Yes.
Why? Because that's going to give us what?
The same answer.
It's going to give us the same answer. It's going to give us 40 oranges. Now, I saw some people draw an array, a 5 by 8 array. Is that going to give us 40?
Yes.
Yes, because 5 times 8 is 40. Did anybody skip count? I don't think I saw anybody skip counting this time. Last time we had some skip counters, this time we didn't. Now, could we also draw 5 bags and just write 8 in each? If we did that, what would we have to do? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So, why do you think that someone, instead of putting 8 oranges in a bag and adding up 5 bags, why do you think that they would take that multiplicative comparison and do 5 bags or 8 bags of 5 oranges? Why do you think they would choose to do that instead of 5 bags of 8 oranges? Think about what we said on Thursday. I remember Alyssa wrote her model down into 5 and 3. Why did we say she used 5? Why did we think she used the number 5? Yeah. It is so easy to count by 5s, right? Can you count by 5s faster than you can count by 8s?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This is an ask your partner, how did you get started? And tell your partner, I knew, so I. What I want you to do is look at what your partner did and compare that to what you did. Or look at the people's paper at your table, just to see what other strategies they did compared to the strategy that you did. You put 5 and 8 bags. So that just goes back to, we can all have different strategies and come up with the same answer, right? Yes. So you used tally marks, but then you also used numbers. So what's a way that you could have done this one that would have made this taken less time? What could you write in here instead of 8 tally marks? You could write what? Instead of drawing a direct model, you could have written what? How many tally marks is this? There's 8. So what could you have written in this box? Instead of drawing out 8, you could have written the number 8.
Oh.
Okay, we just compared our class strategies. Okay, this is the bar model. It says you can use the bar model to help understand the problem. You have a number, the number in one bag is 8. The number Simone needs is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times as many. And if she has 5 bags, we need how many in each bag?
Eight.
We need 8 in each bag. And this is a skip count. If you skip count by 8, you have 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. You can use the bar model to make an equation to help understand the problem. 5 times how many oranges are in one bag will give you the total oranges needed. The number of oranges in one bag is known, which is how many?
40.
That's our known. We know how many oranges are in one bag. How many are there? 8. There are 8. The total number of oranges needed, is unknown. Is there a symbol we can use to represent the unknown?
Yes.
What?
A question mark.
A question mark or
X.
an X. You can even use an O for oranges. Okay, you do not know how many oranges Simone needs. We just answered this. What symbol on the bar model shows how many she needs? What was our symbol? What symbol do we need?
No.
A question mark, because we don't know the total. And it says, how does the bar model show how many oranges are in one bag? We said there are 5 bags, and inside the bag there are how many? 8. How can you find 5 times as many as 8? We discussed that. We can skip count. Some of you already know 5 times 8 is 40. You can add 5 groups of 8. You can add 8 groups of 5. Right? You could draw an array. Write an equation using numbers to show how many oranges Simone needs. Simone ended up needing how many oranges?
40.
And I saw everybody on their paper write, what's your equation? 5 times 8 equals 40. Is 8 times 5 the same thing?
Yes.
Yes. It says explain how you can write a multiplication equation from a bar model. We just did that. 5 groups of 8 is 40. 8 groups of 5 is also 40. Okay. Look back at your strategies by classmates and model it, which was what your people at your table did. We looked at those. Which models or strategies do you like best for showing a comparison between the numbers to solve the word problem? I'm going to pick 2 people to tell me which strategy you like the best. Okay? Somebody that I haven't heard from. What strategy do you like the best, Alaska? What strategy did you use? Is this a strategy that you used that you like the best? So what she did is she did 5 in 8 groups. So and then she just added it all together. She knew that 8 groups of 5 was 40. So that's the strategy that she likes. Zay, what strategy did you like the best?
I like all of them.
You like all of them?
Look, they all like this.
Okay. Anybody else have a strategy that they usually go to? If you didn't know that 8 groups of 5 was 40, because this is kind of an easy one. 8 times 5 is 40, and everybody knows there are 5s in here. If you did not know your multiplication fact, 8 times 5 is 40, what would your go-to strategy be? What if I said 8 times 7 and you didn't know what it was? What would your go-to strategy be?
I would.
An array. An array. Okay. So Carson likes to do arrays. Does it matter if you do an array? Does it matter if you add on, counting and adding? Does it matter if you direct model? If you know how to get to the answer? No, it doesn't. Everybody has a different way of doing it. All right.